Which Brita water filter is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Brita Elite Water Filter. We have the Brita Elite Water Filter replacements. What caught my attention was the claim that it reduces 99% of lead and lasts for 6 months or 1,200 gallons. If you're looking for a filter that saves you money and cuts down on contaminants, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Brita Elite filters out more than 3 times the contaminants compared to standard Brita filters. This means cleaner, better tasting water, which is crucial if you're concerned about what's in your top water. Plus, it lasts 3 times longer than pure filters, so you're not constantly replacing it. With over 40,000 bought just this past month, many people seem to trust this product. Now, some people complained about the price being a bit higher than standard filters. Here's the thing though, you're paying for quality and longevity. If you want long-lasting, cleaner water without the hassle of constant replacements, this is a solid investment. This is perfect for you if you want low-maintenance, high-quality filtration. Skip this one if you're looking for the cheapest option possible. In terms of value for money, you're getting a lot here, especially if you consider how many plastic bottles you'll save. Now, if the cost of the Brita Elite bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach with a budget-friendly option. Product number 2, Amazon Basics Enhanced Filters. We have the Amazon Basics Enhanced Replacement Water Filters. Priced at just $10.49 for a 3-pack, this option caught my eye for being a wallet-friendly alternative that still promises decent filtration. If you're after a low-cost solution without sacrificing too much on quality, this might be your answer. Here's why this matters for you. These filters are WQA certified, meaning they reduce contaminants like chlorine taste, mercury, and more. Each filter lasts about 40 gallons or 2 months, which means you can say goodbye to those single-use plastic bottles. And with over 20,000 sold last month, it seems like a lot of people are making the switch. However, some reviewers mention that while they do a good job, the taste might not be as crisp as pricier options. But I'll be real with you, for the price, you can't expect top-tier performance. If you're looking for a basic filter that gets the job done without breaking the bank, this is still a great pick. This is perfect for you if you're a student or someone just starting out on a budget. Skip this one if you're a water connoisseur who only wants the best. For the price, you really can't complain about the value. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a bit more capacity. Product number 3, Brita Large 10-Cup Pitcher. Let's talk about the Brita Large 10-Cup Water Filter Pitcher. This one's priced at $28.49 and offers enough capacity to fill 3 24-ounce bottles at once. If you want a pitcher that's both practical and effective, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. Not only does it remove chlorine taste and odor, but it also reduces zinc, copper, and mercury. This means you're getting cleaner, better tasting water right from your fridge. Plus, it fits perfectly on most refrigerator shelves, making it super convenient. And with 10,000 units sold last month, it's clearly popular. Now, some users mentioned that the lid can be a little tricky to manage when filling it up. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it's actually pretty user-friendly. If you're looking for a spacious pitcher that prioritizes filtration, this one is a great option. This is perfect for you if you have a family and need to keep water on hand. Skip this one if you prefer smaller pitchers or find it hard to manage larger containers. Considering the performance and capacity, it's a solid value. Now, if you're leaning toward those traditional filters but want a larger supply, the next option might catch your attention. Product number 4, Brita Standard 4-Pack Filters. The Brita Standard Water Filter for pitchers and dispensers, which comes with 4 filters for a great value. Honestly, at this point, if you want something reliable, this is definitely worth a look. These filters reduce chlorine taste and odor, as well as impurities like copper and mercury. Each filter lasts about 2 months or 40 gallons, and they fit in all Brita pitchers except for the stream. If you drink a lot of water, these are a must-have. They replace up to 300 plastic bottles, which is impressive and perfect for reducing waste. Some customers have pointed out that they wish the filtering process was a bit faster. But here's the thing, while it might take a little longer, the quality of water you get is genuinely worth it. For a steady supply of clean water, these filters are a fantastic choice. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward, no-fuss water filtering solution. Skip this one if you have a high demand for instant water filtration. The price for performance here is definitely competitive. And if you're looking for something with an even larger capacity, the last product on our list is right up your alley. Product number 5, Brita Standard 6-pack filters. We have the Brita Standard Water Filter 6-pack. This one's similar to the previous product, but gives you a bigger supply for a great deal. If you're someone who wants long-term filtration without the frequent need to shop, this option is worth considering. These filters offer the same benefits as the 4-pack, filtering out chlorine and other contaminants while lasting about 2 months each. Plus, with the 6-pack, you're replacing up to 1,800 plastic bottles a year, which is fantastic for the environment. With the same high sales as the previous filters, you know many are trusting this choice. However, some people found that they were getting a plastic aftertaste in the water. But honestly, that can happen with filters, especially if you don't change them regularly. If you stay on top of replacements, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want an economical long-term solution for clean water. Skip this one if you dislike the idea of managing multiple filters. For the value you get here, it's hard to beat. So there you have it, 5 solid Brita water filters. Each one has its unique strengths, whether you're looking for budget-friendly, high-capacity, or long-term filtration. The Brita Elite is great for high-quality filtration. The Amazon Basics filters are budget-friendly. The Brita Large Pitcher offers capacity, and the standard filters provide steady performance. Lastly, the 6-pack offers fantastic long-term value. Depending on your needs, any of these could be the perfect choice for cleaner, better-tasting water.